boy who did not drink milk?
Yeah.
But I have new story. You want new story?
Yeah.
Okay, my new story is the elephant and the mouse.
Mouse.
Yeah. The elephant, the mouse, and the tiger.
Tiger.
Yeah. Yeah. You want to know?
Yeah, I want to know about the tiger, about the elephant, mouse, and the tiger. Mama eat a chicken and Dada eat a tiger and Kael eat a monkey.
No, Dada is the monkey. Kael is the tiger.
Kael eat a tiger.
And
I will
Mama...
eat a tiger. I will eat tiger, Dada.
No, the tiger eats the monkey. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you eat Dada?
Yeah, but a tiger. I will eat it because I am a tiger.
What?
Mommy.
Yummy, you sure? Dada is yummy?
Yeah.
Narapo. Giparatan di.
Yum. Dada is salty.
Salty.
Dada is salty.
Yeah, Tutti.
Yeah, salty. Okay, I will tell you the story of the boy who did not nail cutter.
Yeah.
Oh, you want that story?
Yeah.
Okay. Once upon a time, there lived a boy in the city. And then, the boy is very happy always at the time.
Yeah.
And then one day, the mama told the boy, "Hey, son, I see your nail cutter your cut nails are tall, are long already." Pakiedit to, pakitanggal ko. Please edit that, please remove that, Mr. Chair. Your nails are so long, my son. You need to nail cutter. And the son said,
To cut your nails.
No! No! I don't want my nails to be cut.
Yeah.
Yeah. You say no.
No.
Oh, like that. The boy said like that. And the mother said, okay, then let's do it tomorrow. The next day, the mom asked again, let me cut your nails. And the boy said, no, I don't like. The mom asked, why don't you like? The boy replied, because I like my nails long. Ooh, he like his nails long. So the mom did not argue and just went by. A few days have passed and the nails are very long like a tiger claw. What? Yeah, so long. And then the boy has a hard time already
Yeah.
holding glass of milk
Yeah.
or holding food because the nails are so long,
Yeah.
like
Nick.
like a monster long. And one day, while the boy was very proudly walking on the street, he suddenly tripped, and fell. But he used his hand to stop the fall. What happened is he hit his nail on the ground.
You.
Yo! And then broke his nail. Oh my God! The boy said, ouch! Mama! Ouch! Because the boy has very long nails, he broke his nail during the fall.
You.
Oh, bleed so much, bleed, red blood dripping on the nail. Blood, 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 blood. And then the doctor said, you need to cut your fingernails so that it will not happen again. Yeah. And so the boy agreed, and then he let her mother cut all her nails. This time, the boy already knew if you have long nails, it will be hard for you to move around. So the boy did not repeat it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's the end of the story.
How about the boy have the funny and the boy had the and bunny funny dada.
Ah,
Story.
the boy who used cell phone?
Yeah.
You know already the story. But I will ask you today, what is the moral lesson today?
About the story about the reading.
No. The story today is about nails.
Yeah.
TV, let me see your nails, babe, if it's long. Oh no. Let me see, babe. You want a long nail?
Yeah.
What?
The nail of the elf. You touch the nail of the elf, dada.
You want long nails?
Yeah, I like
Ah, what
it.
happened to the boy with long nails? He got hurt and bleed. He got hurt. You want long nails?
Yeah.
No. You want long nails?
Yeah.
No. You don't want long nails, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Say Kael doesn't
Mama,
want. You tell mama. You tell mama I don't want long nails. Tell mama go.
Mama, I don't get no nails.
Yeah. So you know now.
Yeah.
You don't have. You must not have long nails. Huh?
Dada. Dada, you tell about the and the boy is new different and the boy had watching telephone pa. You tell that story.
You know the story. What happened to the boy? Yayay.
Yeah.
Yayay the eyes.
I
Yeah, because using of.
the telephone.
Yeah, you see that? Always in the cell phone, yayay.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have long nails, you get yayay.
Yeah.
Oh, you do not drink milk, you will get yayay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Dada, you do the boy. I came to the door to buy a new telephone and the boy was an old telephone pa and you will tell that story to the old dada.
You know the story already. I like it. You remember the story? You remember the story, Kael?
Yeah.
Very good. Kael has good memory. Kael, remember the story.
I finished all the milk, dada.
Huh?
I finished all the milk.
Yeah, very good. So you have no yayay.
Yeah, I have no.
Yayay.
Mama, I couldn't dada and I told her and dada was a story about the nails were into the kid.
That's very good. You know the moral of the story, right?
Yeah.
What is the moral of the story?
The boy will fall down and the
Nails.
nails.
So, what you need to do, you need to cut,
The fingers.
no, not the fingers, your nails. You cut your nails when your nail grow long. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, dada. Oh, I finished all my milk. Oh, I finished all my milk.
Yeah, you finish all the milk.
You're very good, Chong. Good job.
Mama. You read it then?
What's that?
It's a monster.
You asked Dada to read it for you.
Dada, you read it for me.
Is this a good story?
Yeah, because it's a monster.
You're not gonna be afraid?
Yeah, you read that.
You sure?
Yeah.
Maybe you will not sleep tonight.
Yeah. You will Dada.
Monster.
Say please.
Sit.
Quick, said Michael.
Yeah, yeah. You like it?
Okay. Quick, said Michael. Stand at the bottom of the stair.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, said his dad. You don't need me again. Oh. Please, I'm scared. Ooh. The
Ooh.
boy is?
Cute.
Yeah.
The boy, the baby boy, is cute, but that's
Yeah.
the monster that is the baby boy.
Yeah.
Because the baby boy does it. It's
Mm.
a cute. Because the monster is me like that.
Yeah. No, said his mom. There's-
Mama said, Mama will pick that out.
I don't like the illustration, Kael.
No.
Why? Because the dada is cooking and the mama is fixing the car. Is this really? Mama the one fixing the car?
Yeah.
And dada is the cook?
Yeah.
You ask Mama.
Mama, Dada is a cute. Mama will pick that out of the baby Dada Mama.
Yeah.
I don't believe it. You believe it?
Yeah.
Why? Dada is the cook, oh. And mama is the repairman.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not good. It's not a good story. No, said the mom. There's nothing up there to be frightened of. What did the boy said?
It's putting up.
No, it's please. You say please.
Pick.
Again, longer.
Pick.
Longer.
Pick.
Yeah,
Sweet, please.
That's what the boy said.
Please.
Oi.
And there had been times when he did.
The boy has baby.
Yeah, you know it's Wiwi?
Yeah.
It's Wiwi. But most of the time, he didn't. Because in the end, somebody would go and stand at the bottom of the stair. O Dada is the one cooking.
Yeah.
Can you see the cat?
Yeah.
Where's the cat? Where's the other cat? Where's the cat here? Yeah, what is the cat doing?
Timing.
No, the cat is fixing the laundry. Fixing the laundry. The cat is fixing the laundry. Oh, the cat is very generous. What is it you're scared up there? Said the mom. Oh, the mom is playing
Yeah.
PlayStation. See?
It's
Yeah. This is
Do
not.
not introduce the
Yeah.
word.
Dada is. There's no monster and the outside. It's monster in the door.
Yeah, monster, said the Michael. No such thing, said the dad. Come upstairs and show me some of the monster. Ooh, there's one, Michael said. It's the airing cupboard monster. What?
What is that?
It's a monster.
Oh!
Nonsense, said Dad. You're imagining things. Oh, the dad fixed and there's no monster. Oh, and then there's a wardrobe monster. And the dad fixed. Hello, wardrobe monster.
Monster in the vacuum.
Oh, you know it's a vacuum monster.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
the monster in the vacuum.
Yeah, the monster in the vacuum. Oh, don't worry. I've met this one before. He doesn't scare me. He shouldn't scare you. Oh, and then there said, oh, run around. I have no more nonsense. I'll be down in a minute. And then, oh, you see that? I'm cured, said Michael. There are no monsters. Well done, Michael, said Mom. And well done, Dad. I've never were any, said Michael. Ah, quick, stand at the bottom of the stair. Open. Ooh, it's the cat, said Dad. It's the cat, Kael.
Yeah.
It's the cat scaring the dad. it's the end. It's the end, no? So there's no footstep, Kyle, ha?
Yeah.
It's just an
Imagination.
Very good! Imagination. Very, very, very,
Very good.
very good.
Very good.